Now let's discuss the reason behind the humming sound from the transformer, which is because of magnetostriction. That is, if the transformer is excited, that is when the input supply is given to the transformer, because of magnetostriction there is a humming noise coming out from the transformer. Because of magnetostriction, the transformer core dimensions will change in the order of 1 Armstrong, that is 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Because of this order of dimensional change of transformer core, there is a huge humming noise coming out from the transformer, and many will think that the reason behind the humming sound coming out from the transformer is because of oil. That's wrong, and that humming noise is because of magnetostriction, that is due to change in the core dimensions, and which will change in the order of 10 power minus 8 centimeter. And please keep in mind that magnetostriction is inevitable process, that is it can't be eliminated. We can reduce it, that is by proper core staggering. Proper core staggering means we know the transformer core is built up of thin sheets of laminations. Let us suppose this is the thin sheet of lamination, and this is the other thin sheet of lamination. And similarly, if you join all these thin sheets of laminations and place an insulating layer between each lamination, then it will look like this. So these are the thin sheets of laminations, and each lamination is built up of strips. Strips are of shapes L, E and I. So to make one sheet of lamination, you can make use of two L strips. Let us suppose this is one layer of lamination, and let us suppose this is the other layer of lamination, and if you place this layer of lamination on this layer of lamination and join together, and if suppose this is having a small air gap, and similarly this is also having a small air gap, and by joining these two layers together, air gap length will get increased. Therefore, transformer core will drag more magnetizing current from the input supply. So in order to reduce that, here alternating layers must be joined, that is like this. This is the alternating layer. So if you place this layer on this layer, this air gap is now blocked, and similarly if this is having air gap, and by placing this on this, here this air gap will be blocked, and by this way you can reduce the air gaps present in the transformer core. And the way these alternating layers are joined together without having any small air gap is called proper core staggering, and by which the humming noise coming out from the transformer will be very low.